Welcome! In this presentation, we'll be talking about how to choose and use a good CRM. There are many articles out there on how to attract new customers, but how do you retain the ones you already have? Consider these 3 well-established truths for existing customers. It costs more to acquire new customers than it does to retain current ones. Loyal customers spend up to 70% more than new ones. Over 90% of customers are likely to make repeat purchases with businesses that offer excellent customer service. If you want to see to it that customers never fall through the cracks, a good, cost-effective customer relationship management CRM system can help. Customer loyalty is critical to your organization's long-term success. A good CRM system is imperative to successful marketing campaigns, sales cycles, and brand identity, no matter what size your business. A good CRM lets you manage interactions across all channels without losing track. It also helps you acquire leads from multiple channels such as emails, SMS, and automated phone calling. Instead of relying on historical revenue data, a CRM provides a future view of sales trends that are leading indicators of your revenue and profit metrics. You can use CRM to replicate best sales and customer service practices. Sales teams can use workflow automation to automate activities and ensure best practices are consistently followed. Establishing customer connections helps you tailor products and services to fit individual needs, an extremely effective way to compete in a highly competitive marketplace. Inside your business, a CRM boosts employee productivity by freeing your teams from repetitive tasks and giving them more time to connect with customers. Helps convert more marketing leads into sales. Reduces the cost of sales by offering greater visibility into upsell, cross-sell, and renewal opportunities. Previous studies have shown that a mere 5% increase in customer retention can increase your brand's profits by up to 95%. A good CRM helps increase customer loyalty and profitability. Here are some of the top qualities to consider when selecting a CRM for your business. A customizable dashboard, real-time reporting, powerful automation, scalability, a secure infrastructure. To compete in today's multi-channel customer environment, you need a CRM that captures your customers' interest so you can better market and sell to them. With its robust task management, multi-layer reporting, game-changing SMS, and more, OnCourse is an integrated suite of tools that includes a CRM designed to manage all your business's relationships with existing and potential customers. To learn more about how a CRM can help your business drive growth and profitability, request a sales demo today.